In today's episode, Ajax Motion Protect Curtain. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Poseidon Tech. Today we will review Ajax Motion Protect Curtain. It is a blind type motion protector that can detect motion up to 11 meters. Let's unbox it. Inside the box you will find the quick start guide, installation kit, the Motion Protect Curtain, and the bundled bracket. Slide down the smart bracket in order to remove it. At the back of the curtain you will find the power button and the tamper button. In order to understand better how curtain works, visit Ajax official website. Go to Products, and select Motion Protect Curtain. Motion Protect Curtain ignores pets, can cover a distance of 11 meters, can work up to 3 years without battery replacement, and can be installed outdoors and indoors. Here you can see some examples of several installations. So, Motion Protect Curtain creates a narrow protective screen. Finally, here you can see how curtain algorithm works. And how ignores pets. Now, let's test the curtain in a real project. This will be our testing area. With one Ajax curtain, one Ajax street siren, and one burglar. Let's start. Back to tutorial, let's add curtain to hub. Press Add Device. Give a name. Scan curtain's QR code. Choose Room. And press OK. Hold down the power button for 3 seconds. Curtain has been added successfully. For the complete tutorial of Ajax Alarm, visit Poseidon Tech website. Go to Reviews and Tutorials. Select Smart Home category and open Ajax Smart Alarm step-by-step tutorial. Let's check also the settings of the curtain. Select Ajax Curtain. Here you can see all the info about the curtain. Temperature, signal strength, connection, battery status, etc. Press the gear button to enter settings page. You can edit the name of the detector. You can change the room. You can set delay when entering or leaving from 5 to 120 seconds. You can include detector to night mode arming. You can choose sensitivity between low, normal and high. I will set it to normal. You can enable or disable pet immunity. For outdoor use, I will leave this enabled. I will also enable anti-masking in order to receive notifications when the detector is blocked, painted, sprayed or tapped. You may set also the detector to be always active. Like all Ajax products, if the lid is open, you will receive a notification. Ajax app will also notify you when the lid is closed. When Ajax curtain is in its final position, don't forget to secure the detector on the smart bracket attachment panel using the included screw. In order to test the curtain, go to Settings and select Detection Zone Test. Press Start. After a few seconds, the light indicator of the curtain will become green and the curtain will be ready for detection test. So, every time that curtain detects movement, the light indicator will be turned off and back on instantly. In order to terminate detection zone test mode, just press Stop. The curtain's light indicator will be turned off. There are two options for installing MotionProtect Curtain. First one, directly on a surface. Use the included double-sided tapes on the smart bracket attachment panel. Attach the smart bracket panel on the surface that you want. Remove the detector from the smart bracket panel. Mark the position of the holes with a pencil. Remove the smart bracket panel. Start drilling. Insert the anchors into the holes. Mount the smart bracket panel using the included screws. Place the detector on the smart bracket panel. Option number 2. Mounting curtain on the bundle bracket. Attach the bundle bracket on the surface that you want. Mark the position of the holes with a marker. Start drilling. Insert the anchors into the holes. Mount the bundle brackets using the included screws. Remove the smart bracket panel from the detector. Use the bundle screws to attach the smart bracket on the bundle bracket. Place the detector on the smart bracket panel. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next episode.